Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Power on the Quietcomfort Earbuds and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes. This signals Bluetooth discovery. Next, open the Apple menu and go to System Settings, then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Keep the earbuds within 3 meters of the MacBook and minimize nearby Bluetooth activity so the Mac can find them reliably. Doing these steps now prevents interference and speeds discovery, so you'll see the earbuds appear in the Bluetooth device list in the next step. Once you see Bose Quietcomfort Earbuds in the devices list, click Connect. If Mac OS asks for permission to use the device, accept it. Occasionally, a numeric code appears. Enter 0000 or 1234 if required, though most modern Bose devices pair without one. After clicking Connect, wait for the status to update to Connected. Make sure Mac OS grants audio and microphone access so apps can use the earbuds. If you plan to use them for calls, confirm input and output are set to Quietcomfort and finish by playing audio and making a quick voice recording to confirm both output and microphone work. Adjust volume in system settings right arrow sound. Check battery level from the Bluetooth menu or the Bose app so unexpected shutdowns don't interrupt you. If audio drops or the Mac won't connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your Mac, or reset the earbuds per Bose instructions. This clears stale pairings. Doing a fresh pair restores a clean connection more often than fiddling with individual settings. So try.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.